Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll make a sketch. I have made this already, but I'll make a new one. This is the sketch I have to make. So the first thing I have to do, I will visible the planes and the origin. So this is a sketch, so I will only do in front plane. Now I'll do the sketch. So at first I will make these circles and the circles for the construction. At first I will draw arbitrary circles and then I will give the dimensions. By the way, this drawing is in inch per pound and second, not in millimeters. I am taking the dimensions from the picture. This is very easiest way to draw them. After I finish this, I will draw this center line. Because I need this center line, when we'll draw the inner part of it, we need this. It is 40 degree, it is given, and I calculated there are 9 circular sketch pattern, so we'll follow that. This is the system how to do circular sketch pattern. We just have to put the value of it, and it will automatically help to do our work easier. We have to merge the center line with the circle, then it will be fully defined. Now I will do the inner part. At first I have to draw 2 parallel lines. These are 0.13, but we are taking half of it, so it will be 0.065. At first I have to make it parallel, so it is not happening. See, so if I make those 2 lines are parallel, then only I can take the distance 0.065. So I make it parallel. Now I will take the distance. And the similar way I will take the other one. It is parallel already. I don't have to do anything now. I just have to put the values. Now I will take a radius of this of 3 points, and I will make them tangent to those lines, because in the picture they are in tangent. Now I will put the dimension here. Now see one thing in the picture. This radius is used from the center, so I have to take it from the center, and I am putting the value. See, it is 2.31 and it is from the center, so I will put the value now. Sorry, I put 3.32. It will be 2.31. Okay, now I will make some more radiuses. At first I put any arbitrary radius, then I will put the dimension. No, it will not, I cannot put dimension here. I have to make them, the distance should be from the circle is 0.13 and divided by 2, so it will be 0.065. So I have to make them parallel to those circles. So let me do them. See, it will not come because it's already, I have dimension the radius is 0.45, so it will be over defined. So at first I have to delete the 0.45 radius here because it is not given. But if I click it earlier, that's why it is saved. So I need to delete this now. I don't need this value. I just have to make them parallel. And the other one is the same. It is fully defined again. Now I have to make the fillets. These fillets I have to make, they are given in 0.125. I can select them all at once and just put the value. Now maximum thing is done. Now I have to do circular sketch pattern, the whole thing, and 9 times it will repeat, so 9. Okay, done. Now I have to do the upper part. Now I will take some radius again, but its center is the same center, so I have to merge those center lines. Yep. I just put it up for make it easier with another radius. Those arcs. So I'll draw 3 arcs here, and I will give the dimension now. One is 2.19 and one is 0.38. So it is not fully defined yet. Why? Because I didn't make those 3 arcs offset, sorry, not offset, 3 arcs tangent to each other, so I have to make them tangent. Now it is fully defined. Now I have to do one last time the circular sketch pattern. I have to select all of them. I have to put the value. So it is fully defined, and this is the final part of this sketch. The sketch is fully done. Thank you for watching it step by step, and hope I'll make a new one next week.